Hello everybody, my name is WightTsar, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to talk about the many artillery batteries that were built along the western end of the Isle of Wight in the 1850s. They began construction on a series of fortifications around the Solent and the Isle of Wight in order to protect the area in the event of a possible French invasion. They were concentrated around the entrances to the Solent and formed a line of forts and batteries equipped to sink any invasion fleet. The westernmost battery is the Old Needles Battery, a substantial fortification right above the iconic Needles landmark. The battery was equipped originally with 6 7-inch guns, later upgrading to 9-inch guns. The battery is well known and is open to the public, however less heard of is the underground tunnel network beneath the battery, which contains several bunkers dug into the chalk cliff at sea level to counter torpedo boats in the 1880s. This is no longer accessible from the main battery as the lift shaft no longer functions, and thus is only accessible from the sea at low tide. Further back from the cliff edge is the new battery, built in the early 1900s and equipped with 3 9.2-inch guns. The battery was active during both World Wars and was supposedly attacked by German aircraft during the Battle of Britain. Following the wars, the site was used to test new rocket systems, notably the Black Knight and the Black Arrow. Moving back up the coast eastwards, we find the Hatherwood Battery. Built during the 1860s, this battery operated 3 7-inch and 2 9-inch guns, designed to fire in support of the Needles Battery. It was abandoned in 1903 and was left to decay, with one of the emplacements falling off the cliff, but it's still accessible to the public. Heading further east, the next fort we come across is Fort Worden. Situated above the rocks of Worden Ledge, this fort was built in the 1860s and had 3 9.2-inch and 6-inch guns. It also included a maintenance workshop, guardhouses, a command post and armoury, surrounded by a curtain wall. This fort has a well-documented history all the way from its construction until its closure. It was manned during the First and Second World Wars. During World War II, the main guns have been removed and the site operated instead as a regional command post, still equipped with 2 Lewis gun emplacements, and as a searchlight position. The battery was used as a holiday camp post-war. However, more recently, a housing developer decided to build apartments over the battery. Construction had begun, and one firing emplacement had already been covered when a landslip in 2012 forced them to cancel the construction. One of the searchlight emplacements was destroyed in the landslip, however one remains. Here are some photos I've taken of this emplacement on screen. Further east still is the sister battery of Fort Worden, called Cliff End Battery. This battery was completed in 1868 and was equipped with first 12.5-inch and 3 10-inch guns, but was later replaced by 6 and 4.7-inch guns. This battery was designed to support Forts Albert and Victoria nearby. It was supplemented by searchlights like Worden. Now it's used as a holiday camp, but parts of the original battery still remain and are accessible. Thank you for watching. If you stuck around this long, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.